Hello everyone. Today I want to go back and I'm just finding the scissors, try out some more pots. It's been a while, hasn't it, since I did any of my pots, and I really enjoyed doing them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just having a clean up with some moulds, just the standard tape. Get any fluff or debris off, or cured resin. So yeah, I'm going to do, the plan is some alcohol ink drops and then just clear resin with a little bit of sparkling. Got to have a little bit of sparkle, right? See if I can recreate some of my Galaxy pots from, I think it was last year, wasn't it? Yeah, so that's the plan for this evening. That's on the outside, isn't it? Yeah, sorry if I just knocked the camera. So yes, gonna have a clean up of the moulds. I've got two of my little pots here. These are my favourite ones. I've also got my mini bowl. I've got this. I've only ever used this once, and I did it as a tester, and I put it in, I put a bit of resin in it, put it in a debubbler, and it ended very badly. I haven't actually used it since, so I think it's about time. Also just got some of my really old moulds here. Most of them will just be as spare. Get that back in. I am hoping to concentrate getting at least one of these pots done. Maybe one of these. They won't take much resin, I don't think. But yeah, so that's the plan. So I'm going to get on and clean these, and then I will start recording again once I've mixed up the resin. And while it's in the debubbler, I will probably have a look through my alcohol inks, because I want to be prepared for what. Oh, that didn't go well, did it? I'm not having much luck with tape at the moment. Just my clumsiness. But yeah, so that's the plan. Stay tuned, and I'll be back once I'm choosing the alcohol inks. Okay, so let me just pull my respirator down. So resin is in the bubble remover, gloves are off. It's time to choose some alcohol inks. Now I'm also going to put in the Tiny Turner ethereal pigment nebula, which I have done in my previous Galaxy pots. I have got these new alcohol inks. Likely I'll be using like the metallic ones. I have got a gold metallic as well. I really don't know where it is of that brand. It's the Resin one. But what I'm going to do, I've got, are they the pastel ones? Lightish ones. I think they're the they're the pastel ones. So I might do them in some of them. But what I'm going to do is I am going to put my mask back on and stop talking while I choose the inks.
Resin in the mixer looking fine, crystals shining bright just like a sign, experimenting new things on the fly. My YouTube debut's reaching for the sky. Got the camera rolling, lights in place, steady hands but hearts gon' race. First techniques sometimes go astray, but mistakes are just the price we pay. Crystal clear, oh can you see? This journey is a part of me. Mix it up and let it be, sharing with the world my creativity. Pour it out, watch it glisten and gleam, colors swirling like a dream. Step by step I'm taking you along. Together we'll make something strong. Learning as I go, no script to guide, but I've got passion deep inside. Hits and views ain't my only
Oh, no, sorry, I've got the resonator Jules on in the background on YouTube. I'm just going to move everything out of the way, and then I will put you on. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll put some music over the top because you won't be able to hear me anyway with my mask on.
Resin flowing like a river wide, colors clash and then they coincide. A world within, a spark of flame, unfolding visions calling your name. Break the mold and take a ride. See the art that swells inside. Click the button, come explore. There's so much waiting, so much more. Watch the resin dance and play, twist and turn in its own way, shaping dreams with every pour. Every blend's a metaphor. Break the mold and take a ride. See the art that swells inside. Click the button, come explore. There's so much waiting, so much more. Dive into the whirlpool spinning bright, a canvas born from endless flight. In every drop, a trace of me, a universe in epoxy. Break the mold and take a ride. See the art that swells inside. Click the button, come explore. There's so much waiting, so much more. So much more. Colors collide where the river flows. I pour ideas and let them grow. The resin hums to its own beat, a wild creation you can't defeat. Dripping freedom, watch it spin. The masterpiece begins within. A dance of chaos, a twist of chance. Art won't walk, it prefers to dance. Break the mold, let it all take shape. Resin does what resin wants, no escape. Swirls of life in a glossy stream, caught in the rhythm of a resin dream. Shapes emerge from a fluid sea. A liquid voice speaks back to me. I got its flow but never demand. It laughs and molds its own free hand. Creativity's a reckless friend. No clear lines, no perfect end. Each pour a risk, each cast a thread.
of these are cured now. Yeah, I'm just going to get some gloves on and I'll put them to one side and we'll demould them one at a time. I shall be back in a second. I might need some. So I spilt this, hence why it's not filled all the way up. That's fine. Remnants are over here. Don't know if you can see, but yeah, let's put you back down. But that's okay because the middle of the, nearly got my finger stuck then, it's above that, so it shouldn't matter. It's going to have some sharp edges. We'll need a bit of sanding down. But this was months and months, probably last year, I started to fill this up and then completely forgot about it. Well, yeah, that's not bad, is it? A little bit of a semi-drip mould. So I did this lot originally last year, forgot about it, put it to one side to fill up, forgot about it. Then I did a little bit more, then a little bit more, and then this time. But yeah, a little bit of trimming up. It's a cute little pot, isn't it? I do like it. Let me know what you think. Very excited to see how this turned out. I'll stop talking so you can hear the nice demoulding sounds. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty. Nice and simple. Just want to make sure that the alcohol ink is dry on there. It is. That is all good. Little cutie. This is the one done with the pastel alcohol inks from the old company, Resin. Did you see that ping off? I'll be having to find that. Let's get this done first. Still slightly bendy. One of the reasons that I'm wearing gloves. Oh, cute. Oh, I really quite like that. Oh, what do you think? Make sure that's not wet. No. Do we prefer the back or the front? Make sure you let me know which you think is better, back or front. I like both, I can't decide. Although I think I prefer the front. It's certainly smoother, but obviously I would sand this down. Yeah, the front, I think. Let me know what you think. My favourite little bowl mould. I do like this little one. It doesn't take much resin at all. And you can do all sorts with it. I thought I'd ripped the mould then, goodness, but I hadn't. It was just a bit of resin. Okay, let's go. I'm worried about mudding colours with this. Oh, it's got some sparkle too. Yeah, okay, it has muddied and it looks a bit brown, but I'm loving the effect. Right, let me move the camera a bit so that I can focus. Wow. It's really cool. The red is definitely coming through. Wow. I love the swirls. They're pretty awesome. I am happy with that. Let's move the camera back. This one may need some alcohol to loosen it up. What is that? Oh, it's just a spare bit of resin. Here we go. No alcohol needed by the looks of it. Again, I was worried about muddying colours, but it is what it is. Oh yes. Oh, sorry, I'm knocking you. Oh, get some light on it. Wow. That's so pretty. I love the wisps of colour. There's a bubble there. There's a few around this edging here, which is normal. I did try and get rid of them, but that's fine. But there's none around the rim. Brilliant. I'm very, very pleased with that. Very pleased. So, here they all are. All in all, I'm really happy with the results. I need to be a bit more clever with the different colour alcohol links I'm putting in, for sure. But I'm loving the wispy effects, definitely. And this is super cute, and I really like this. All of them need a sand or a trim. This is going to need a sand. Also that one. Could probably just trim that one, and definitely this one. But yes, I love them, and I love Apex High Gloss. It is the most amazing resin that I have ever used, and I am so thankful to everyone that suggested this to me. It's just stunning, beautiful resin. Now I've got bits on here. Anyway, if you liked this, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd love it if you would leave a comment for me, and please subscribe. It is all free, and I will see you for the next one. Bye bye.